the longest time in this country. Terrorism was a reality. People continued to be killed. Hundreds of Indians were massacred. And yet the politicians ruling at that time in the country chose not to act, principally because they followed a policy of appeasement. They felt that acting against terrorist groups would cost them votes. And I really think that it is time that we put that to the test tonight. That is why, let me tell you, Dr. Ajay Alok, that is why there is so much discomfort today about Republic TV reporting this. There is discomfort because there is a feeling that if this becomes a subject of national conversation, the BJP being seen to be a party that is stronger on issues of internal and national security will. We do a cost-benefit analysis when it comes to issues of national and internal security, when it comes to the lives of the people. Where do the UP elections come into this? Why should one be guilty about reporting the fact that there was an attempt to blast trains in Bihar, in Darbhanga, to carry out blasts in Kashi, Mathura, Ayodhya? Why?
True.
Why should we look at who benefits? Why is there discomfort over it? Is it not a reality, Ajay? Has this not been played down in the media? And that's why they hate Republic. Can I risk the lives of India's political leaders by not reporting the fact that there was an attempt to target leaders, whether by Naxalites or by terrorist groups? Yes, Ajay. Let's come back to the debate. Yes, Ajay.
Arnav, what you're speaking is absolute truth and reality, and congratulations to your team for getting the facts revealed. Now, look, hearing all the people in the debate, I was aghast, and the whole country is also aghast that we are talking underplaying terrorism or overplaying terrorism. Oh, really? Do we play with terror? I came to know today. Or we should crush the terror. There is no question of playing with terror. We should crush the terror. And those who are supporting at the cost of UP election, talking of Hindu and Muslim Jigoin sticks, they must not get into it. There should be only one thing: crush the terror. But here we have leaders in our country who cry when the terrorists are killed. आंखों से आंसू बहने लगते हैं, उस पे चुप रहेंगे, कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. This is the misfortune for this country that we have leaders like this. And you are talking overplaying terrorism, underplaying terrorism. You play with terror, go and play and pay for your life. But what about those, because people killed in terrorist attack, they don't know whether they are Muslims or Hindus, mind it. Anyone can lose their life. And the whole family suffers because of that. And you're talking of playing with terror. This is absurd. If there's 1%, even 1% iota of a chance that terror attack can happen, we should crush it, irrespective of what it is. They should be considered guilty until unless proven innocent. I mean, where is the question?
I'm surprised you're smiling. I'm surprised. I'm surprised instead of a serious response that you consider this to be a matter to smile and laugh about, Mr. Mishra.
They call themselves professors. They call themselves professors, and they say playing with terror. Is that what they teach to the student? That you should play with terror? Crush the terror. That should be the message from this TV, from all the panelists. Crush the terror, irrespective of political alienage. Irrespective of the political alienage.